Looking for a hassle-free way to bleed your brakes without the usual mess? This universal brake fluid pressure bleeder might just be the game-changer you didn't know you needed. It promises an easy, efficient solution that fits any vehicle, making brake maintenance simpler than ever. When I first got this pressure bleeder, I was skeptical. But right away, its design stood out. The strap lets you hang it effortlessly from lug nuts, no awkward balancing or fumbling. The hose is flexible yet sturdy, ensuring a secure fit on the bleeder valve. Compared to my old setup in the garage, this tool keeps things cleaner and more controlled, saving me time and frustration every time I use it. If you're ready to upgrade your brake maintenance routine, this pressure bleeder is worth a look. It's lightweight at just 181 kilograms, compact with dimensions that fit neatly in your toolbox, and made right here in the United States. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this product delivers reliability and convenience. Try it when you're ready and see how much smoother brake bleeding can be.